We are back on our Hackney project and I can't wait to show you. So already you can see the changes here, guys. As we're coming in, there's a dado rail and we've got a two-tone color going on. But we've got some nice metal spindles just to add a bit of design to the place. We've got fitted microwaves here, guys. All of these are soft closed doors, and as you can see, there has been a little bit of a design change. So you remember this hallway? We've got the back bedroom done. In this room, we've started painting some of it, but we're actually going to be having wallpaper in this room. When you design a room, you should always think, how's the room going to look? And let's see the best part of the house, guys. Come up here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back on our Hackney project and I can't wait to show you. Why? Because it doesn't look like a building site anymore. We started getting some of the fixture and fittings. There's a steam room in there, there's a jacuzzi, there's fitted wardrobes, and the decoration is all going down. But before we go in here, I just want to quickly show you something. Now, you're probably thinking, why is this just being re-tarmacked with new floor signs, and why do we have all of this new tarmac going here? Well, that's all been done by Thames Water. Why? Because they've got schemes out now that if you ever need your lead pipe changing, they would do that absolutely free. But what is on you is from your own boundary, what goes into your property, you'll need to change that. So if you've got builders working on your project and you're starting to do all the renovations, you've got 1, 2, 3 floors like this one and you need the water pressure to be better, make sure you have a look at your water pipe and make sure that it's not lead, because it's not good for your health and safety. And actually, even though the pipe is quite thick, there's only a small diameter in there which doesn't cause the pressure to be good inside the property. So now we've got that out of the way, let's come in, and of course, we've got our favorite builders on the project, Torbar. We only use this company because they do things right. So already you can see the changes here, guys. As we're coming in, there's a dado rail and we've got a two-tone color going on. This is the sort of theme that we're going for in this house. And as you come into this room, as you remember, I did say there was going to be a bookshelf. That's going in next week. But right now we've just got these sliding doors fitted in. You put one of these together and they come in together just like this. What will happen is this will be covered with bookshelves. So when they're closed, you'll see the nice wooden doors. But when they're open, you can go straight into the other room. So it looks a little bit concealed. And as you come through here, we've started decorating this room. You can now see the air conditioning is all on here. So we've built up the fireplace right here, guys. That's gonna be finished with marble down here. And we're gonna have a great big TV on here with all the shelves and units hanging just below here. I would go this way, but we've just fitted a new bar. So follow me around this way, guys. And just as we're going past here, as you remember, I said the spindles here are actually gonna be metal. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this. This is yet to be varnished, so we'll finish this off nicely, but we've got some nice metal spindles just to add a bit of design to the place. I will take you downstairs in a minute, but before we do that, we're gonna come into the kitchen space, and this is the small pantry. Originally, we were gonna keep a wall up here, but it would just make it too small and cramped. So we ended up opening this wall out, and there will be a pocket door here and a door here. So this has its own little space. We've got a washing machine, we've got a dryer, we've even got a quirky little sink. So you think it, we'll design it and we'll get that happening for you. We're gonna have another pantry over here. We've already done the electrics for all of the sockets. So if you're gonna have a small kettle, a second microwave, anything of that nature. And as we come into the kitchen, I bet you haven't seen one of these before. Are you a cat lover? Well, I know I definitely like dogs, but we've actually got this little hatch here, especially for your kitten to go in. We've got fitted microwaves here, guys. All of these are soft closed doors, and as you can see, there has been a little bit of a design change. We've got some drainage pipes and a gas pipe here, but we ended up changing this purely because the customer on this project actually wanted the island to be changed. That wasn't a big job for us. We just redesigned a few things, but we've cut them pipes off right now. As you come here, we've got another pantry here, and what I'd love for you to see in our next vlog is when these LED strip lights lights are going to be coming out. You're just going to be feeling like, oozing like, wow, I just want to live in this space. We've got electrics done here for the sockets. So any appliances that we need to keep will be all hidden so it doesn't look all cluttered here. The tiles here are actually 20 mil thick. This is made from real stone, guys. We've got all of our nice lighting to allow a lot of light into this room. We've got a lovely hanging lights, and we're actually going to have a bespoke sofa that comes out here. And it's just great to have a sofa with a view like that, with all of the light coming into the room. Use some reclaimed bricks to create a patio section, and we've actually made a barbecue section right out there, which is going to be great for summer. We haven't quite finished that section, so I'll show you that on the next vlog, but let's have a look downstairs before we go upstairs. Mind your head, guys, is a little bit of a low ceiling, but we didn't want to just leave this part of the house out, so we boarded it all up. That lead pipe that I was showing you outside, we've actually dug the front of the building up and we've put this one. This pipe is actually a lot more bigger, which allows a lot more flow of water to come in, allowing the pressure to be better. And talking about pressure, just take a look behind you, and we've actually got this system which fills up with water and pumps water to the whole house. So now we've got that out of the way, I know you want to see the steam room, so come and follow me up. So you remember this hallway? We've got the back bedroom done, and we've got this beautiful radiator. Do you remember this at school? They're metal cooled radiators. It adds a lot of character to this whole property. We've got the air conditioning done rightly up there. And then we come family bathroom down here, guys. Got lovely gold features here. Even the radiator is gold, and we're gonna have a glass screen over here. Again, you can see the metal spindles over here with the varnished staircase that we've got going on here. I can't wait for you to see the finished version. In this room, we've started painting some of it, but we're actually going to be having wallpaper in this room because that's what the client has suggested for us to do. We've got a light up here, which is going to be shining onto a nice picture to add some character in the room too. If you come in here, guys, we've got these lovely bedside lights, and that's a theme throughout this whole house that we've been doing. Same again here, we've got the air conditioner up here. We've actually got two radiators. Originally it was going to be one that was kind of curved, but we went with these two singular ones. And here we've got some lovely cupboards. I'm not going to show you all of the lampshades because I don't want to spoil the grand finale, but we've got these lovely bedside lamps out here as well, guys. So as you know, when you design a room, you should always think, how's the room going to look? So we already knew that we're going to put a bed here because it looks out onto the light. When you wake up in the morning, you want to see some nice bright light coming in, and when you go into bed, you don't want to be getting up to close the light, so you've got a nice switch right next to the bed. And let's see the best part of the house, guys. Come up here. Another lovely bathroom up here, guys. We're just getting all the tiles done beautifully up here. That jacuzzi bathroom, as you can see, there's a pump all being fitted down here. This is all going to be concealed behind tiles, and this is my favorite bit. If you come around here, guys, this is where I'm probably going to be living. You know, I'm going to be sitting in here because this isn't just a shower. This is actually a steam room, guys. That's where all the steam comes out from. You're going to have some nice glass, which is going to be straight see-through, and this is where you can just let your skin breathe. You know, this is what it's all about. You work hard, you buy places, and you want to enjoy your life, and this is what we do, make dreams come true. So you don't have to go to a smelly sauna or a gym. You can have it in your own house. Check out this joinery, guys, if you come down here. So check out the wardrobes and all the joinery in this room. We've got a lovely bed. It's quite low, but that's the theme of this room. We've got lovely fitted wardrobes. So if you can see right behind you here, it follows the nice curve of the roof. So it just like fits in nicely and snugly. Don't have any funny edges sticking out. Got some lovely wardrobe space here to hang all your suit jackets. We've got a little bit of space here to put some extra boxes just in these little eaves, and you've got plenty of work drawer spaces, and when you just close it like this, it's all soft close, guys. Got a lovely radiator right behind you there. It's actually a different color in this room, but this is what we're talking about. And this is absolute luxury. This is what you work hard for, and you can just sit down on your bench and just enjoy the views, you know? Can see the heart of Hackney, and I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. We've got some absolutely great vlogs coming out on the channel where we show you some of the masterful transformations we do with all of the houses and projects, and we want you to be part of this journey. If you want to learn about property, you want to learn about luxury, high-end, good builds, if you want to ask us a question, we're here to answer all of them. And some of you guys will actually have a project on the go and want to be doing a high-end finish like this, and you just don't know what builders to use. Give us a call, give us a shout. Worst thing we can do is just come and give you a quote. But we show you, we turn up week on week, we show you where we are at each project, and we're not going to ever leave your job. So make sure you like this vlog, comment and share this with somebody who needs to see it. Peace.